If your keyboard backlight is not working on Windows 11 or Windows 10, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix keyboard light not working on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. First, click on the search icon at the bottom of your screen and type Device Manager. Now, open Device Manager from the search results. Once it opens, look for the Keyboard section and click on the arrow next to it to expand the list. Now right-click on your keyboard driver. If you see multiple keyboard drivers, you can repeat the same steps for each one. Next, select Update Driver. After that, click on Browse My Computer for drivers, and then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose the driver shown on the screen and click on Next. Sometimes simply reinstalling the keyboard driver can fix the backlight issue. If the problem still isn't fixed, right-click on the keyboard driver again and select Uninstall Device. Then click on Uninstall to confirm. After that, restart your computer. Once your computer turns back on, Windows will automatically reinstall the keyboard driver, and the backlight may start working again. Now, let's make sure the keyboard backlight is actually enabled. Look at the top row of your keyboard, especially the function keys or F keys. On many laptops, one of these keys controls the keyboard backlight. Try pressing the key with the backlight icon. In some cases, you may need to hold the Fn key while pressing it. You can also try pressing Fn plus spacebar, since this shortcut works on many laptops. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.